Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be doing a baby girl clothing haul. Last week we went to Ross, and no matter what, I always like to go to the baby section at Ross, even more so now since we know the gender of the baby. We did get, I would want to say, a bunch of clothes when we knew the gender, but we only got a bunch of 0 to 3 months, a few 3 months, a few 3 to 6, stuff like that. So now I am just wanting to buy a few items that we have missed, especially in size wise. So this haul from Ross pretty much consists of 3 to 6, 6 to 9, stuff like that, since we already have so much of 0 to 3 months. And we have a few little newborn stuff from my son. I already handpicked his clothes, so, and put it away in our daughter's dresser. We already had 2 dressers in his room, so we just gave one of his dressers to his sister. So yeah, I have everything in one place for her things. Yeah, so let's just begin. Also, this video is going to be a part of my nesting series, my Nest With Me series, just because I feel like buying baby clothes while you're pregnant is a part of nesting. So yeah, my very first Nest With Me video for my Nest With Me series. So everything is still in its bag that we purchased at Ross. This isn't full to the brim, but it is still quite full of baby clothes and a few baby items.
Okay, so let me just take out a few items right now so I don't have to hold the bag.
So let me start off with one non-Ross item. We had received this item in the mail as soon as we got home from Ross, so I just figured might as well show it to you, also because this is freaking adorable. It's a dress. I think it's a 24-month dress. It's from China and from Amazon, so it doesn't have the exact sizing. So that's what it looks like, and it's dinosaur themed. I don't know if I've ever told you guys, but my son's room is dinosaur themed, so this really works out, especially since I'm pretty sure baby girl will want to like certain things that her big brother likes, so I love that. I don't know the price for this, but I think it was really cheap. My mother-in-law got that for baby girl. Okay, so on to all of the Ross items. So this one is for my son. It was $1.99, and all it says is grandma magnet. It's yellow and has the writing has pink on it. Just a long sleeve onesie. This one is, I believe, 24 months. This actually, I think, can go both ways, both a girl and a boy. But we found this in the boy section though, and it does look kind of wide. I noticed a lot of the girl clothes, especially the girl onesies, are kind of more slimmer and longer. Okay. And then we saw this. It's a pack of burp cloths for $3.99. This is actually one of the other type of burp cloths that we really love. It's really soft, pretty big. We have a few of these already, but they are getting a little bit old. So I think we're probably good on burp cloths as of right now. If baby girl, when she comes, if baby girl is like a spitter, and, well, not a spitter, but she spits up like her brother, then we might have to get more, because we did buy a lot of extra burp cloths for my son because he spit up a lot. So yeah. Okay, and then I saw this in the accessories, the baby accessories section of Ross, and I really liked these. I fell in love with the color and everything, and they're headbands, a pack of 5 headbands. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, there it goes. And this was actually reduced down to $4.99 instead of $8. So I liked that. We have a lot of these colors in clothing, if not a little bit brighter, but I thought since they're headbands, I'd want them just a little bit tad lighter and more neutral, dimmed. Plus I'm gonna make her quite a bit of headbands, so yeah. And then last minutely we saw this again in the baby accessory section, or I think maybe like in the blanket section, is 6 washcloths. They're Gerber and they're $3.99. I don't know why I didn't think to be purchasing new washcloths. We still have quite a bit of washcloths for my son that we can divide and give to baby girl, but I just thought we just needed some new ones, especially some girly ones. The other ones that he has are neutral, baby, like gender neutral, but it's always nice to have something just for, you know, baby girl. Now we're gonna move on to the clothes. Let's do a quick overview of what we purchased last week. This is all that we purchased last week, and we have a lot. Actually, I am needing to go to Walmart to buy at least 4 packs of baby hangers because baby girl has a lot of dresses and I need to hang those up. And also I'm pretty sure I'm going to need more hangers for my son too anyway. So this one that I am holding in my hand is 3 months and it's $6.99. This one I picked out. I thought it was really, really adorable. She has quite a bit of rompers, and I think we're good on rompers when it comes to 3 months or 3 to 6 months, because when she's 3 months it's going to be around October, November, so it's still going to be quite cold, but inside the house, you know, she can just wear something like this inside the house. I'm pretty sure we'll keep the house warm when it gets colder. And then I got this item. It's 3 months and it was in the clearance section and it was reduced down to $6.49. The original was $8.99. And this one, I was so happy that I saw it because I don't really know if we have any long sleeves for the winter time. So I got that. This is like a gift set that you could give to someone. This has a onesie in it. I'm not sure if this is a short sleeve onesie or a long sleeve onesie, but it's Happy, Amazing, Brilliant. I didn't open it yet. I don't think I'll open this up or take anything apart. Not until I start to really nest and just want to wash everything. So I thought this was really cute. This is like a button up sweater with pink pants. It comes with a little hoodie. I love baby clothes, especially the winter clothes that has hoodies. You don't have to worry about having them wear a beanie or a hat. Then I picked up this, it's like a 3-pack. It was $7.99 and it's also 3 months. I already knew that before going into Ross that I would want to buy a lot of 3 to 6 month clothing that had some long sleeves and some warmer stuff that I could find as of right now. So I got this. This was really cute and adorable. So it comes with a bandana, a short sleeve onesie, and then a button up long sleeve footed onesie. I was trying to find the zip up ones because I really like the zip up ones better than the buttons, but I couldn't find any. I'm pretty sure I can find some when it's closer to winter time. I just want to grab some first so that way when she's here and it's already gonna get cold, I don't have to worry about having to go to the store and then buy more clothes for the winter time. I want to have at least a few of them on hand, so then I don't have to go crazy basically buying all the cute onesies that I'm pretty sure that they have for baby girls. And then this item that I'm going to show you right now, my mother-in-law picked it up, and it's 3 to 6 months, and it's $6.99. It's a 2-pack of short sleeve onesies with pants. So these pants goes with it. It just says love you with birds. I love these colors with gray pants with the bird on the back. I noticed we have been buying a lot of bright, vibrant colors and a lot of pink for a baby girl. That one was cute. And then I think after this is all like 6 to 9 months. So this one, 6 months, it's $7.99. I picked this one up and I thought this was really cute. And then once we kept buying, I think she has one more of these like type of mermaid theme clothes. She already has quite a bit of mermaid clothes to begin with before purchasing this item, so I thought that was pretty ironic. And it comes with a bib. It says beautiful mermaid princess. It comes with a onesie, short sleeve onesie, and then behind it a long sleeve footed onesie. Again, buttons. Could not find any zip ups yet, but I'm not too worried. I find that when you have the button up ones, you just leave the buttons at the legs, so it's not so hard on you. And then this one is 6 to 9 months. This one is $5.99, and this is a 4-pack. My mother-in-law picked this up. So cute. This says Little Starlet, Big Dreams. I love that. It's so adorable. And I'm so glad that we have been finding packs of onesies, especially short sleeve onesies, for such a good price, because it's all really what they live in. Especially if you're a stay-at-home mom like me, I don't really go out, especially the first few months. I think with my son, we only went out just for the doctor appointments for the first few months, and if we needed to go to the store, stuff like that. So we live in onesies, and my son still has quite a bit of onesies. We still buy him a lot of onesies. And then the second to last item that we purchased is a 6 to 9 months, $5.99. It's a 3-pack. I purchased this one. I picked it up. So cute. It's like apples and fruit. The first one says be sweet. So adorable. I love baby clothes, you guys. It's actually hard for me to buy baby clothes because I have to control myself. I think it's also hard for my mother-in-law because she has to control herself too. And then the last item is from my mother-in-law. She picked it up and it's mermaid theme. This was the one that I mentioned earlier. So the other mermaid themed type of clothing. It's 9 months actually, and it's $5.99, and it's a 3-pack of short sleeve onesies. The first one, oh my goodness, you guys, I could not stop thinking of finding Nemo. Just keep swimming. In my head, when I saw this, all I could say in my head, or sing in my head actually, was just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. I loved that. So adorable. And then this one's more mermaid themed, and then the other one is more fishes, like the other one. I think the other one also, yeah, has like some fishes and some seashells in there. So yeah, that is all that we bought. Well, all that I showed you that we bought for baby girl. We've been buying a lot of things actually. We are getting a lot more in the mail from online. I don't know if baby girl is gonna be having a lot more clothes than my son. I'm pretty sure I am going to be expecting baby girl to have a ton of clothes because, well, she is a girl and girl clothes are just a lot more, they just have more variety than boys. That is all I can say. Actually, when I was trying to buy clothes for my son, there was not much selection while I was pregnant and while he was growing. So now that I don't need younger baby clothes for him, there's a lot of baby clothes for him. So pretty sure this girl is gonna have a lot of clothes, a lot of dresses, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna try to stay within our means and not go too much overboard, because with a girl you can go really overboard on buying clothes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below if you enjoyed this first video of my Nest With Me series, and just keep coming back for more if you're interested in this type of video, in these type of videos, or if you are pregnant and it's just starting to nest. I've been nesting technically ever since we have known that I was pregnant. Now it's just going crazy because I am halfway there and we know the gender of the baby. So yeah, so excited, you guys. I just can't wait until she gets here. Anywho, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you can know when my videos go up. Okay, bye guys.